Online writers and reporters are needed in Canada. Everyone can apply. So, in case you're wondering, how is it possible that everybody can apply? Everybody can apply because this is a school that is placing their students globally, and Canada is one of the countries that they are placing their students. So, if you actually want to apply for this opportunity to travel as an online writer or a reporter to Canada, you can actually take advantage of this school's opportunity and this school's placement to be on your way to Canada. One of the reasons why I absolutely love this particular route is because it is easy to apply. So if you don't know anything about being an online writer or a reporter, you are going to learn from the school, and this is online school, so you're going to be learning online, meaning everybody can actually take advantage of this opportunity. Now, this particular visa is something that you need to understand and be sure that this is what you want to do. It's a visa without a work permit. The visa in question allows writers and reporters to work in Canada without the need for a traditional work permit. This is a significant advantage as obtaining a work permit can often be complex. You all know that it's difficult or it's not that easy to just go and get a work permit in Canada. But this opportunity allows you to obtain a visa without a work permit. By bypassing this requirement, individuals can focus on what they do best, reporting and storytelling. So, to find out how you can apply, you just have to keep watching. What you need to know, the qualifications you need, the requirements, your job responsibilities. I'm just going to take my time to break this down for you. So, while specific requirements may vary depending on the employer, a strong background in journalism, writing, or related fields is typically necessary. So, for those of you who don't even have this background, it's fine and well. Like I said, this is a school that is going to teach you all of these things and also give you this placement. Experience with online media and digital storytelling is also highly valued. So, before you even get your placement, you're going to be doing exercises in writing because you will need your portfolio links to actually show the Canadian government that you have been doing this and this is something that you understand. If you don't have the above, you can apply as an intern for the company hiring to get free training. So, yes, there are companies who are attached to these schools that you can actually go and apply and get a scholarship. So, you can actually get a fully funded scholarship to train with this, or you can get a partial scholarship depending on how well you pass your scholarship exam. So, your job responsibility as a writer or reporter, you need to be responsible for researching, writing, and producing content for various platforms, including websites, social media, and possibly video. While you would not need a work permit to work in Canada, you will need to travel to the country to fulfill your physical duties, meaning you have to be in Canada to actually report for the school and the company that has employed you. Depending on the employer's location choice, you may be based in major cities like Toronto, Vancouver, or Montreal, or you could find yourself in a smaller town or rural areas in Canada. Duration of your stay. So, the duration of your stay in Canada will likely depend on the duration of the visa you have been given by the Canadian government. While you will not need a work permit, it is essential to ensure that you have the necessary legal documentation to enter and stay in Canada. This could be either a visitor's visa or an electronic travel authorization, depending on your country of origin. So, let me just explain this. So, remember, this is not a tourist visa. I repeat, this is not a tourist visa because you're actually going and letting the government know that you're going to report for a particular employer or a school and you're going to be given a visa. So obviously, if you're not a permanent resident, you're either given a visitor visa or an ETA. That is what it's called. Like I said, you're not a tourist. The government knows that you're coming there to work as a digital nomad, as a reporter, and this is allowed because there is an application process that allows you to apply for this. Now, what you need to know, the life of a digital nomad. This is a digital nomad job as you are working remotely in Canada from the comfort of your home or a beach or even a restaurant, wherever you choose to work from. So, we're just going to go into the ways that you can apply straight ahead, and straight away. There are two sites I can recommend you to go and apply from, and you'll be sending them an email. As you can see here, it is Easy Travers or Cloud Sites. So Easy Travers helps people with remote job application, visa sponsorship job application, and they just help you with all of this application. And yes, you can go to them and actually apply to be on your way to Canada as an online reporter or as a digital nomad. So yes, you can go to Easy Travels and check them out and just apply. If Easy Travels does not cut it out for you, you can also apply at cloudticket.site. Cloudticket.site is also a site where you can go and you will be given all the visa guides you need and everything that you want to use to be on your way to Canada. So let me tell you the difference between Cloud Ticket and Easy Travels. So Easy Travels is a service company that is going to do the job for you. So they charge you a fee to do the job for you, while at Cloud Ticket, you are going to do the job yourself. As you can see, they will give you the guide, like a step-by-step guide for you to go ahead and apply yourself. So that's the difference between Cloud Ticket sites and Easy Travel. So if you're the kind of person that likes DIY, do it yourself, then Cloud Ticket is definitely your site to choose. But if you're the one or you're the individual that says, I want somebody else to do everything for me, then you can go ahead and just, you know, and make it work. Please use our promo code HAPPYFACE to get discounts and make us your referral company. So when you go to any of these sites, it is paramount that you please use Happy Face to get a discount code and make us your referral company. You can apply through Happy Face Travels as a virtual assistant company assisting you with your documentation check. So, guys, what are you waiting for? Embracing the experience. For writers and reporters passionate about their craft, the work permit is an exciting prospect. It offers a chance to immerse oneself in a new culture, explore diverse landscapes, and contribute to the vibrant tapestry of Canadian media. Whether you're drawn to the bustling city of Toronto, the scenic beauty of Vancouver Island, or the cultural richness of Montreal, Canada has much to offer. By embracing this experience, you will not only further your career but also mark a memorable journey of personal and professional growth. In conclusion, for online writers and reporters seeking new horizons, Canada presents a unique opportunity to ply your trade without the usual visa constraints. Seize this chance to make your mark on the Canadian media landscape and embark on an enriching adventure north of the border. So, guys, if you also want to book an appointment with us for us to just go through this package again and explain to you, do not hesitate to check in the description box or the comment section to find our appointment booking link. And, guys, you can also follow us on social media: Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, and also go to our blog. We have daily blog posts that will help you travel around the world. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed every bit of our video today, and we will see you same time tomorrow. Take care, guys. Bye.